Alright guys, welcome back. So I did a bunch of stuff today, so I'm trying to remember all of it. At the beginning of the day, I think I did some jumping jack, compacting some dirt, one that way, one over there, and then the end over there. And then at the end of the day, I picked up all the scrap pipe and put it over in a pile over there. And then the one pipe over there yesterday, in between the two little struts, I had to replace it because it was slightly at an angle, so I had to get a couple new 90s and then put those back together. And so now that's fixed. And then I did go over to the other little place over there. I'll show you there in a second when I drive by. And then we did some more 1-inch pipe that they wanted. They added some 1-inch pipe, so one goes here. I think one goes here, and then there's another one that goes over there, and those three go across the trench over there. And then there's another 1-inch pipe and 1-inch pipe that come from there, and these all go to the panels right over here, I believe. So those three go across, those two go across, and then we have to add two more on the other side coming to there next week. Right now they're just spraying some hay or something, which looks kind of cool. It's like a machine gun, pretty funny. So I think that's mostly what I did over here today, and then I'll go show you that over there. So here's the dump truck that I was driving yesterday. Did a few more dump loads of dirt this morning for the excavator guy, so that was fun. All right, so I made it up the hill just to get a view for you guys. So ran all this pipe right here. We got two 4-inch pipes, three 3-inch pipes, and those are 20-foot sticks of pipe. So it goes 20, 40, 60, 80. I think that's 80 feet on each of those. And then we basically just glued them together. Basically glued like two sticks together, so there was 40 feet sitting here, and then we just brought over two more 20-foot sticks and then glued them together, and then we just rolled it into the ditch. So because it's really muddy down there, it's like really mucky and a swamp, so basically just glued it on top and then just rolled it in so we won't have to deal with all the mud, get water in the pipes and stuff like that. So that's basically all I did today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Not the most descriptive or visually appealing because I didn't feel like walking all over the job site at the end of the day, but I tried to give you the best idea that I could, so hopefully that's all right with you. And there's actually a way I can drive around so I don't have to drive through that giant water puddle, or over here is kind of really nasty as well. Don't want to get stuck, so there's actually a way I can take a right, which is sweet. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button. It helps me out, and hit that subscribe button if you want to see me back on Monday. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Stay safe out there. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. I will see you soon. Peace out. So I tried to stay as clean as possible. I think I did a pretty good job. So yeah, pretty good day at work. No big deal.